Schmersal is known for its solutions and systems for industrial safety. At Automation Expo 2025, they are talking about IoT and how to integrate AI into their services.
And I'm totally proud to see how India especially developed in the context of Asia, and we totally believe that India is a key market for Asia, within Asia and also locally, because the awareness of safety is growing every day here in India, and we are happy to be part of this safety awareness and educating our customers.
Main theme of this stall is to present the entire safety solution and also taking data on the cloud to showing the efficiency of the machines, efficiency of the product, predictive maintenance, as well as the data on the cloud, so that we can have a complete IoT solution, energy management system, as well as we are also developing the software to digitalize the safety solution, like we have a digital lotto with the permit management system.
Technicum is basically an independent brand in Schmersal Group, which is dealing with the machine safety compliances and machine safety certification. This brand is basically responsible with a complete neutral approach.